Did you know that each year Fairfax County receives between $5 and $10 million in critical federal government funding to support a variety of housing initiatives and community services? Each spring, National Community Development Week is a way to focus attention on the Community Development Block Grant and the Home Investment Partnership programs and the significant benefits they bring to our community. Together, these grants allow Fairfax County to provide essential funding to support neighborhood improvements, economic revitalization, community facilities and services, and especially the creation and preservation of affordable housing. In the last 5 years, Fairfax County has received more than $35 million in combined CDBG and home dollars, allowing the county to partner with numerous community and nonprofit organizations to acquire and/or rehabilitate housing units benefiting extremely low to moderate income families, provide rental assistance and targeted public services, including education and training, financial literacy, self-sufficiency, and more to low-income households, provide vital supportive services that enable persons with disabilities and seniors to live as independently as possible, provide homeownership assistance and services to low and moderate income households. In the last 2 calendar years, local nonprofits competed for a combined total of over $7.5 million in CDBG and home funds to finance innovative, affordable housing projects. One of our successes was the acquisition and rehabilitation of 2 homes to serve homeless or at-risk veteran families by Operation Renewed Hope Foundation.
We had a big impact from receiving the CDBG funding for our housing program. In fact, it was the first opportunity for us to buy 2 homes with the CDBG funding. It's been fantastic. Our project benefits the community in several ways. First of all, it's getting homeless veterans off the streets and out of shelters and out of vehicles. But we also work with the community to improve the homes, whether it be landscaping work or furniture inside the home or making repairs inside the home or improvements. We believe no one should be homeless, and certainly not our veterans who have served our country.
CDBG and home funds will play an important role in advancing Fairfax County's efforts to produce at least 5,000 new units of affordable housing by 2034. In fact, CDBG and home funds are already invested in the production of approximately 330 future affordable housing units, and over $1.5 million are earmarked for direct rental assistance and public service programs to help the county's most vulnerable populations. For more information on how Fairfax County is putting federal dollars to work in addressing affordable housing and to follow our progress, visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/housing. You can also follow us on Facebook at Fairfax County Housing.